Okay, so this is what the GoPro Hero 7 looks like with the hyper stabilization turned off, the low light mode turned on, and also 4K at 60 frames a second. So we'll look how that looks like on the Kraken around the same time as the other video, a little bit earlier, except this time there will be a 4K instead of 2.7K, but hyper smooth will be off, so we'll get to check out the cool features of the low light that they claim that they have. So I set it to max ISO at 800 because that looks like it'll be about right. And then, yeah, that looks good. And they're running one train operations at all of their rides. Very slow.
Guests with any type of arm or hand prosthetic device should ensure that it is properly secured and will remain in place during the entire ride. Leg prosthetics must be removed, and rider may be required to wear a separate harness. Riders must be in good health.
Yep, nobody. All right, we'll see you on the ride.
Please remove your headset, unfasten your seatbelt, and wait for instructions from the attendant. Once again, please remove your headset, unfasten your seatbelt, and wait for instructions from the attendant. Please remain seated until the
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.